Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create Airbnb account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser you want and simply go ahead and search for Airbnb and click on the first link that pops up right over here. Now, in order for you to go ahead and create an account, on the top right, go ahead and click on this triple lines icon and click on login or sign up. Now, there are a couple ways you can go ahead and do it. So you can continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with email, continue with Facebook, or you could also simply just go ahead and enter your phone number and click on continue, and they'll send a verification code to your phone number. And once you've entered that code back into the application, you're going to be logged in into your brand new account. So let me just go ahead and do that. As you can see, once that is done, simply go ahead and click on agree and continue by entering your last name. So for example, and simply go ahead and enter your birth date and click on agree and continue. Once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and log you in by clicking on agree. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.